Let's look at the next bout coming up. It's a bantamweight battle between Gajendra Rawat, representing Indian top team, taking on Bon Jovi, the non-musical Bon Jovi, who's got a lot of chin and shin music, representing Manipur tonight. He's the Aztecs Tiger, and he represents Aztecs Gym.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for fight two? Make some noise for Gajendra Rawat.
Manan, Gajendra Rawat makes his way to the cage, representing Indian top team. And this gentleman has been making waves in the bantamweight division in the amateur circuit with an amateur record of 14-2. We see Gajendra Rawat here tonight. He trades in stocks for a living, but for a passion.
And now his opponent making his way to the cage, Bon Jovi.
Back down, now a tap out. You know all the rules, shady. This gonna be a smackdown.
और अब आ रहे हैं केज की तरफ गजेंद्र के अपोनेंट बॉन जोवी। राहुल ये तो दौड़ते हुए आ रहे हैं, एज इफ ये रुक नहीं सकते, एज इफ ही कांट वेट टू फाइट एंड शो गजेंद्र व्हाट ही ब्रिंग्स टू द केज।
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? First, we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 60.9 kilograms, representing Punjab. Give it up for Gajendra Rawat. And now, fighting out of the red corner, he weighed in at 60.3 kilograms, representing Manipur. Make some noise for the Aztecs Tiger, Bon Jovi. Referee for the fight, Ranjit.
Follow my instruction all the time. If I say stop, stop the fight. If you want to touch gloves, and back to your opponent.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's begin bout number 2 at Matrix Fight Night 7. In the commentary box, besides my sparring partner Manan, I've got a guest commentator. We've got nobody else than Captain Crazy.
राहुल, मैं अक्सर आपसे फाइट शुरू होते हुए पूछता हूं आपकी क्या प्रेडिक्शन है, लेकिन इस बार मैं श्रीकांत से पूछूंगा। श्रीकांत, who do you think is going to win this fight and why?
I think it will go to Gajendra, yeah, because I think it's very technical and he has been really good in the amateur circuit, but Bon Jovi has a lot of heart, so I'm looking forward to that.
अगर मुझे इनके बैकग्राउंड्स के बारे में नहीं भी पता होता ना, just by the sheer looks of these fighters, Gajendra looks like a killer to me.
He indeed is a sniper. Manan, उन्होंने अपना नाम स्नाइपर ऐसे ही नहीं रखा है. He's going to go for the kill tonight. Look at his eyes. He's got that fire. He's absolutely on point and gets a kick by Bon Jovi. Bon Jovi is blazing on the sniper right now.
इस किक में आवाज थी, लेकिन ये कहीं लैंड नहीं हुई राहुल।
श्रीकांत, एक चीज और है इस बाउट में. Both these fighters are southpaw. ये दोनों southpaw हैं. So do you think?
फाइट अब ग्राउंड पे आ गई है और इस टाइम गजेंद्र नीचे हैं।
I think both the southpaws, they are cancelling themselves out, and right now it doesn't matter because both of them are in the ground, and I think Bon Jovi is going to pass the guard. First time I think he's just trying to pressurize the fighter and take it from there, and let's see what Gajendra does.
बिल्कुल, Bon Jovi साइड कंट्रोल में है, बट यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि गजेंद्र ने अपना पैर ऊपर उठा रखा है ताकि Bon Jovi साइड कंट्रोल से माउंट पे ना आए. But let me tell you, as far as the stats go in, Gajendra herein is a better grappler than Bon Jovi.
बिल्कुल राहुल, हमने एमेच्योर सर्किट में बहुत देखा है, इंडियन टॉप टीम के जो फाइटर्स होते हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं व्हेन द फाइट गोस टू द ग्राउंड. सो हम गजेंद्र से भी सेम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
Bon Jovi landing in some shots here. He's on the mount.
ये काफी खराब पोजीशन है गजेंद्र के लिए. गजेंद्र को यहाँ से निकलने के लिए जल्द ही कुछ करना होगा.
Sniper has the heel now, but we can see Gajendra landing. We can see Bon Jovi landing shots
बॉन जॉवी माउंट पे हैं श्रीकांत, और ये बहुत ही खतरनाक पोजीशन है गजेंद्र के लिए। इस पोजीशन में अगर ये लोग ज़्यादा देर तक रहे तो ये बहुत खतरनाक हो सकता है गजेंद्र के लिए।
मुझे नहीं लगता गजेंद्र के लिए ये कुछ नया पोजीशन है। ही हैज़ बीन ट्रेनिंग विद अ वेरी गुड टीम एंड ही नोज हाउ टू गेट आउट एंड दैट्स एक्जैक्टली हाउ ही गॉट आउट। And now it depends how Gajendra is going to come forward and pick his shots, because he's very good at picking shots and his left arm is a bomb.
Bon Jovi here trying to play in some music with his punches. Left, right, left, right. Fight is in the standing. We've got approximately 2.5 minutes more to go in the round 1.
आधा राउंड खत्म हो चुका है राहुल, और इस आधे राउंड में अभी तक मेरे हिसाब से बॉन जॉवी ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है। उन्होंने ग्राउंड पे डोमिनेट किया है। इवन दो ही हैजंट लैंडेड मेनी सिग्निफिकेंट स्ट्राइक्स, बट ही स्टिल हैड अ डोमिनेंट पोजीशन ऑन द ग्राउंड।
Gajendra Rawat is the stock trader. Let's see if it's bulls or bears for him tonight here at Matrix Fight Night 7. श्रीकांत, यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहा है कि गजेंद्र एक रेंज में खेल रहे हैं और बॉन जोवी जस्ट वांट्स टू गेट इन, मेक इट डर्टी. व्हाट डू यू थिंक Gajendra should be doing here?
I think Bon Jovi has tired himself out to the ground and pound, because I don't think he's much of a grappler. But Gajendra, as you know, has a very good ground game. He is fresh and he's picking his shots, as you saw, like how he just did a head kick.
बिल्कुल सही बात है। आई एग्री विद श्रीकांत। गजेंद्र बहुत टाइम ले रहा है और बड़ी पेशेंस के साथ अपनी गेम खेल रहा है। इस टाइम पे गजेंद्र का टैंक पूरा फुल है।
मनन, बॉन जोवी को हमने मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 5 दुबई में देखा था एंड ही लुक्स मोर कॉन्फिडेंट देन ही वाज देन.
राहुल, एक्सपीरियंस से बढ़कर कोई चीज नहीं होती। यू कैन गो एंड ट्रेन विद द बेस्ट टीम इन द वर्ल्ड, लेकिन केज का एक्सपीरियंस एक अलग ही चीज होती है। और दैट वाज अ लो ब्लो।
Very unfortunate.
अब रूल्स के हिसाब से फाइटर को पूरे 5 मिनट मिल सकते हैं रिकवर करने के लिए, बट मुझे लगता है उससे बहुत पहले ही ये फाइट दोबारा स्टार्ट हो जाएगी।
That was a low blow by Bon Jovi. Let's look at the replay. Oops.
That was right on the jewels. Doesn't feel good. Lot of time right now. So I think this is going to be a fresh start, and I think Gajendra is going to come out hand swinging towards the end of the round. Let's see.
बिल्कुल श्रीकांत, बिल्कुल यहाँ पे because of that low blow, because of that nasty strike, fortunate, unfortunate, मुझे लगता है कि बॉन जोवी को भी रिकवरी टाइम मिला है.
पहले राउंड में 50 सेकंड रहते हैं.
I think Bon Jovi is looking for that head kick, because he knows Gajendra is going to throw that left arm straight, and he might put his hands down, which is guards are really down. So I think he's looking for that head kick.
Nice kick from Gajendra.
Gajendra's literally swinging for the fences. We've got less than 30 seconds in this round. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matrix Fight Night. Gajendra Rawat taking on Bon Jovi.
और रिवर्सल किया बॉन जोवी ने आखिरी 10 सेकंड राउंड 1 के.
I think Bon Jovi is going to finish the fight over here in the top in the last 10 seconds.
Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That was round 2. But श्रीकांत, ये MMA है, आप भी प्रो फाइटर हो, आपको भी पता है हर राउंड में हर सेकंड, हर पंच, हर किक और हर सबमिशन के साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Very tough one. Don't ask me that, man.
We can see Gurkaran Singh Sani, head coach team ITT in the cage. We've got some beautiful audience here. Manan, Bon Jovi के कॉर्नर में है Lemba, who's an Asian kickboxing gold medalist. So Bon Jovi is all set to rock and roll tonight here at Matrix Fight Night 7. Round 2 begins.
दोनों एक दूसरे को देखते हुए, नापते हुए, अपना टाइम लेते हुए.
These guys who come to the amateur circuit these days are really good. Like, they are well-rounded. They are not like just strikers or grapplers. They are really well-rounded. They are smart. They know what they are doing, and we'll be seeing a very technical bout now.
बिल्कुल.
hard shots.
बिल्कुल सही बोला श्रीकांत आपने. When you started your career, वो MMA का टाइम अलग था. Indian MMA has grown since then, and we see a lot of fighters on the card tonight who are making their debut at the age of 20, 21, 22, 23. वो टाइम चला गया जब सारे fighters single dimensional होते थे.
Yep, and you can see like I thought Bon Jovi is going to do a lot of striking, and but I'm surprised. I think he's falling back to his grappling with a grappler. And,
Oh, exactly,
wow.
exactly.
I think he's very confident
My
about what
goodness,
he's doing.
He's throwing in a lot of punches. All right.
क्या बात है, fight ही
It's
खत्म हो
over.
गई.
This is
Wow,
over.
that was
Bon Jovi
unexpected.
tonight, ladies and gentlemen.
Amazing.
देखिए एक चीज मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, अगर आप नीचे हो और आपको
Oh.
पंचेस पड़ रहे हैं,
I think that's a very good way to blow your knees up.
you can't just cover your face and lie on the ground. The referee is going to stop the fight, and that's what Gajinder was doing. He was just lying on the ground covering his face. That's
Ladies
no
and
defense.
gentlemen, we have got a rock star here tonight. His name is nobody else than Bon Jovi.
Oh wow, what a name.
What a fantastic finish, Rahul.
Absolutely stunning.
I think we're seeing the growth of Indian MMA right here, right now.
हमें लग रहा था गजिंदर ग्रैपलर हैं, but see how Bon Jovi clearly out grappled him. Clearly.
Really, yes.
Because the last fight he fought against Musa Rais and he had a loss.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Ranjit called a stop to this contest at 1 minute and 7 seconds of the second round, declaring the winner by TKO, Bon Jovi!